Hello children. In previous session we had a discussion about B reading in Mary and the Rebels. So after completion of any transaction process you must have to go for post reading session. In post reading session we are going to do some exercises which are given in our textbook. Shall we do? Children, now writing part. If you want to make payasam, what items you needed and how much the quantity do you need? It is an exercise, it is given in the textbook, page number 77. Let's try to read and write the ingredients. Here we go. We take vermicelli or semia, 1 cup, sugar, half cup, milk, 4 cups, ghee, 2 tablespoons, cashew nut, 15 to 20, sweet raisins, 20 to 25, and cardamom powder, half teaspoon. So these are the ingredients we have to write in the blanks which is given in the exercise. Okay children, let's go in another exercise which is given in page number 78. How do you prepare payasam? Use the following clues to write the steps. It is an exercise. So we can use the clues which are given. The hints are roast, boil, add, stir and serve. Okay, in step 1, write roast vermicelli in a pan. Step number 2, boil a tablespoon ghee and milk and sugar. Step number 3, add 15 to 20 cashew nuts. Step number 4, stir the vermicelli on a medium heat. And finally, step number 5, serve the payasam in the bowls. Okay children? Next, children, let's do the conventions of writing. In our textbook, conventions of writing is given to punctuations and keep full stop and comma. Let me write a sentence. Here is the sentence. She tasted the payasam from the first bowl. Children, observe the sentence carefully. There are so many mistakes. Some of them are misspelled and some of them are written all small letters. Here, while we correcting the sentence, we must follow some rules. Here rule number 1 is every sentence begins with capitalization. So here we must have to write she means S in the capital letter, capital S. Next, we have to put full stop at the end of the sentence. So let's put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, if we observe from, the word from is misspelled. It is given FRM. Let's correct it as FROM, from. This is a way to correct ourselves, our mistakes. Let's go for another example. This is an example. Mary was very tired. Children, observe this sentence carefully. Mary is the word started with a small letter. Let's make correction, capital M. Mary, and put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, if we observe very, here it is given W-E-R-Y. It is incorrect spelling of very. We know very is V-E-R-Y. Let's we make correction in misspelled word very. These are the examples for making corrections. Take one or two more examples. Try to write by correcting yourself. Children, let's do the grammar part. Read the following sentence. Was hungry Mary very? Is the sentence is giving any sense or meaning? No, it doesn't give, because the order is not in correct form. Let's make the words in the correct sense, in order. Okay, Mary was very hungry. Let's compare sentence 1 to sentence 2. In the above sentence, it is not in the correct order. So we prepared them in correct order, and the second sentence given the complete meaning and the sense. Children, let's do the second example. Up, Mary woke. Mary woke up. Now read the same group of words, but the order has changed. Girl, the is reading. The sentence is not clear. Let's made it clear. The girl is reading. So here 4 examples are there. We have to write. In the second one, the sentence is like this. The boy a book has. Let's write in order. The boy has a book. And third one, dog ran the. Let's write in order. The dog ran. Fourth one, fisherman the came. It doesn't give any sense. So let's write in order. The fisherman came. Okay children, I think you understood this grammar part. Now let's do the match the following activity which is given in our textbook. Here A column and B column. In A, Hyderabad is the, hence the earth. Amar and John, fish. These are the words given in A column, and let's go for B column. Lay eggs are good friends. Swim in water. Is round. Capital city of Telangana. This is a activity. We should have to match the words from A with the words with B. So let's we do for first. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. Hence, lay eggs. The earth is round. Amar and John are good friends. Fish swim in water. So this is a activity. I hope you also are trying to write in your notebooks. Keep writing in your notebooks. This post reading activity of completing of textbook exercises is helpful to you. If you like this, you can write in your notebooks also. You complete the textbooks exercises and show to your teachers. For more videos, you can share this video and like it and try to subscribe to get more videos relating to our English textbook. Thank you.